Welcome everyone, isn't this beautiful? Well, summer is indeed on its way, and with all of the socializing and parties that accommodate it, I thought today's video on wine drinking etiquette was in order. For those of you that follow me closely, you know that I am a seasoned wine lover. I love my red, I love my white, and I love my rosé. That is one of the reasons that I am excited to share with you that I am partnering with Winc. For today's video, I will be talking about their rosé, the Summer Water. Crisp, refreshing, beautiful shade of rosé. I look at the color, I don't know why. This is a perfect color of rosé. They do vary, believe it or not. Winc wanted me to try their Summer Water. They would love for you to try their Summer Water as well. If you click the link in the drop down box just below this video, or you can click on the corresponding blog post link and get to it there. You can take advantage of trying some summer water for yourself. Let me just share that this exclusive deal sells out early, so you are not going to want to wait. For some of you, wine etiquette may seem unnecessary, but I am here to tell you that if you want to elevate not only your wine drinking, but your overall dining and entertaining game, knowing a few things about drinking wine to me are very important. And I'm going to share with you today 4 very easy tips. Once you get these down, they will become second nature. You will not even have to think about them. Tip number 1, if you are giving cheers with someone, you don't actually have to clink your glasses. You can simply look them in the eye and raise your glass. This is very popular if you are in a group setting and someone gives a toast, everyone just lifts their glass. On the other hand, if you do want to clink glasses with your bestie, it is very important to do it with the bowl part of your glass. The reason you want to do it at the bowl part is that is the strongest part of your glass. You don't want to use the rim of the glass because it is not as strong and you could have breakage or chipping. Tip number 2, always hold your wine glass by the stem. And this is probably the biggest error that I do see people make. Many people hold their wine glass like this. And often it's just that they don't know. Now, I will say that it does feel more secure when you are holding your glass by the bowl. But once you get down holding your wine glass by the stem, it will become very natural and it will become second nature. A couple reasons why you want to hold your wine glass by the stem is number 1, if you hold it at the bowl, it's going to get fingerprinted, especially if you are eating finger foods. There is nothing worse than a dirty wine glass, and it is very noticeable. Pay attention the next time you are dining and you see someone holding their wine glass by the bowl. You will see it gets very dirty and very fingerprinted. I personally think it's much more elegant to hold your wine glass by the stem. There's nothing wrong with putting your hand on the foot. If you're standing and talking and conversing like I am right here, you can hold it like this as you're talking. Swirl your wine a little bit, which we can talk more about that later, but you'll get very comfortable walking around hanging onto your wine glass by the stem. Another reason why you don't want to hold the wine glass on the bowl is because that can alter the temperature of your wine. Speaking of swirling, many people think it's pretentious to swirl your wine, but I actually think there's a lot of reasoning and purpose behind it. It really does bring out the aroma and the flavors. Very good rosé. Crisp, refreshing, everything that I want a rosé to be. Not too sweet. When it comes to swirling, I do want to say you never swirl a sparkling wine such as champagne because it's a bubbly. So anything that's bubbly you don't swirl, but your whites, your reds, and your rosé, as long as they're not sparkling, go ahead and swirl. Let's do a little review on the Summer Water Rosé. Again, it's very crisp, refreshing. It's not overly sweet like many of the rosés that are currently out on the market. Summer Water is offered in different bottle options, from specially designed bottles like these to eye-catching magnums like this dandy right here, and even these fun, unique little mini droplet bottles of summer water. I love these. I think how fun would it be to do like a bougie bridal shower and have one of these at each table setting. I think they're adorable. The variety of bottles are perfect for rooftop parties, poolside barbecues, as I said, bougie bridal showers, and other crowd-pleasing events that accommodate the nice weather and long days. These special bottles are available through Summer Water's exclusive 4-month membership experience called Summer Water Society. If you need endless rosé this summer, which I think I do, this would be for you as well. Before moving on to tip number 3, let me just share with you that some wine experts or sommeliers may hold their wine glass by the bowl. Generally, it will be like this, and it is because they are trying to change the temperature of the wine. For example, if they feel that a white wine is served a little bit too cold, they will cup their wine glass like this because they are actually trying to warm it up. But again, this is going to be your expert wine drinkers, your sommeliers, people that really know a lot about the temperature of wine, because there really is those perfect temperatures. But for the most part, you're just going to hold your wine glass right here on the stem. And again, you will get very comfortable with this. Tip number 3 is something that all good hosts know. And if you are going someplace and someone is entertaining, you will know that they are a good host if they know this tip. Offer wine to others before pouring for yourself. Also, when you are filling glasses, you always want to refill the person that you are with before you refill yours. If you will be emptying a bottle, you empty it in theirs before you would empty it in your own. It's also important that you keep the amount about the same. You don't want to over pour yours. You always want to pour about the same amount into the wine glass of the person that you are hosting and keep yours the same. The other thing that I try to do is pace myself with the person that I am having wine with. Now, if they're a really fast wine drinker, which I am not, that can be difficult. That can definitely be difficult. You always want to make sure that the person you are dining with or visiting with has about the same amount of wine in their glass, and you don't want them to have a full glass and yours is towards the end. So pay attention to that. A lot of it is self-awareness. Tip number 4, you always want to drink from the same spot on your wine glass. Let me show you an example. You will see that I have lipstick right there. I will want to make sure that I drink from that same spot the whole time. You don't want to continue moving your lips around the glass. That's a train wreck. So always sip from the same place. This also applies to the gentleman for a couple reasons. Number 1, we generally are eating something when we are having wine, and the particles of food that are inside our mouth can often leave a mark. Also, many men do wear a lip balm, like a chapstick, and that will also leave a mark as well. So whatever glass you're drinking in, you always want to make sure that you are placing your lips in the same spot. There you have it, 4 wine drinking tips for you to take this summer when you are socializing, entertaining, going to parties, whatever it may be. I highly recommend the Perfectly Crisp Summer Water Rosé. It is more than your typical rosé of the season, I assure you. It's a summer state of mind, every drop of pink tinted possibility. Remember, summer is coming, so click the link in the drop-down box so that you can take advantage of getting some summer water for yourself. Don't forget, this exclusive deal sells quickly, so you will want to jump on board. All right, thank you for joining me, and cheers to summer coming and to Summer Water Rosé.